Guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my page. In today's video we are going to talk about the AC and the DC voltage from 0.1 to maybe 220 voltage. Here, this is a 12 volt battery. We are going to use this multimeter, this digital multimeter to check. Now we are going to see how we can derive like 10 to 12 volt AC voltage and 12 volt DC voltage. This is it. Let's use 12. Let's pick 12. To test this, if you are not familiar with this meter, you are going to see this section. This is the AC section and this is the DC section. You can see this. Now, let's see 12 volt. We are going to move this now to here. We are going to test on the AC. To derive AC, okay, no, let's check on the DC first. This is 20 volt. You put the negative here and the positive here. You can see you have 12.65. That is DC voltage. Now to have 12.65 in AC voltage, this is what you are going to do. This is a mini 500 volt inverter. You are going to plug this. At first, we are to determine the maximum voltage of this inverter is about 250 voltage. Now this is what you are going to do. This is AC voltage. We are going to return this to AC. This is where it is. Now to check AC, put this neutral first, neutral terminal first. Then you can see we have about 250 or 220 voltage AC. Now to reduce it to 12 voltage, this is how we are going to determine if we can have 12 voltage AC. This is a transformer. You all know that transformer always comes with a AC voltage. Then we can filter it with these capacitors and diode to make it a DC voltage. Now this is what is going to happen. The system is on and it's still in the AC terminal. Now let's read this circuit. This is the primary and the secondary. We are going to read this circuit from this secondary. This is in the neutral and this is the live. You can see this voltage has been moved to direct, which is the DC. It has been moved to direct, which is the DC. And what you are going to do to get the DC, let me show you in manual way. You can see this. That is DC. Now to move to have the actual DC, you are going to move this meter to the DC side. Then test it again. You can see we have 19 voltage. And it has converted this AC to DC. Now to check whether what you were saying is true, this is the output. This is the positive, the two positive terminal and one negative. Now we are going to put this positive probe to the positive and the negative. You can see we have about 15 voltage, 15 in each terminal, and that is the AC. This is AC. Then we converted the AC to DC using this capacitor and diode. So this is how it's being derived. You can see I can touch it, nothing happens because it has been converted from AC to DC. So this is it. It's turned 19 voltage. I believe with these few points you can understand that every current you have or every voltage that's been generated, it started from zero, but it's just because of the appliances we use. That's why the engineers try to shift all this to a certain point so that I can use for maybe 5 volt, 12 volt and others. I believe you can understand, and with this you can able to work on some circuit that you need. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and comment.